Ultimate Fiverr marketing and ultimate Fiverr SEO. Well, if you don't know about Fiverr, then first of all, I'm little bit of telling about Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where you can buy or sell anything for $5. It's one of the most largest marketplace in the world. There are millions of gigs and the seller are making millions of dollars per month. Yes, there are lots of buyers in Fiverr and they can buy your service on daily basis. But as I say before, this is one of the most largest marketplace in the world, so there are lots of competition over here, and there is completely impossible for a new seller to making money on Fiverr. This is why I create this course for you. Into this course, I'm going to show you each and everything that you want to learn about Fiverr to make you stand out from the crowd, to get more orders, more sales. So let me just show you what you will learn into this course. First of all, I start with the basic, how to create your Fiverr account. Not just an Fiverr account, how to create a SEO optimized Fiverr account. I want to show you how you can rank your account on the search engine as well as the Fiverr search. So you will get more orders, your gig will rank on the top of the Fiverr search result. As well, I will share some cool trick that most of the seller will ignore to rank your gig on the Fiverr search result as well as the Google search result. Also, I will show you how Fiverr algorithm will work. If you can understand Fiverr algorithm, you will rank your gig on the top of the search result. And also, I will show you 2 Fiverr hot selling gig idea with 2 live case study that you can easily copy paste it and making more money. As well, on the last, I will show you how you can get orders and reviews that is important for a new seller almost instantly for your new gig. There is a secret way to get orders and reviews almost instantly for a new gig, and I will show that into this course. And at the last of the course, I will show you top 3 alternative of Fiverr that you can easily use it to sell your same gigs for more profit. So hope to see you guys inside the course. I'm gonna be so excited to share this knowledge to you guys and teach you how you can stand out from crowd on Fiverr. So see you inside.